Good morning, this is Deb from the Happy Lemonhead channel, bringing you along to see my kale bed. In my last video I had talked about needing to turn over the soil and amend it so that I could get ready for planting more kale into my garden. Well, I got that done. The soil is all turned and amended, and what I did was I planted some broccoli over there and along that edge, a Brussels sprout, a couple dino kales, a curly Scotch kale. I'll bring you in close so I can show you. Excuse my camera wobble. So there's a dino kale and a couple Napa cabbages. I threw some grass in there. It's just good compost. I threw in a couple of my dill, and over there in that corner there is the curly Scotch kale. Let me get my shadow out of the way. It's a beautiful morning here in Crescent City, California. It's going to be warm in the mid-60s. We did have a light frost last night. Wasn't too bad, but it was still chilly. So there's a lot of things in my greenhouse I still can't get planted, at least for a couple more weeks until the last frost is done. So tomorrow is Earth Day. When people, especially like me, gardeners, and those who just love nature and plants and stuff, celebrate Earth Day. Well, tomorrow I will be joining fellow gardeners at the community garden, where we will talk about what's going on at the community garden and different projects. And I've asked to come and answer questions about the strawberry towers, the milk crate towers. A couple weeks ago I actually did a workshop on building the strawberry towers at the community garden, and so I will be there to answer questions about it and talk about it a little more. I will be visiting a local garden here that sells a lot of their starts and produce and flowers at the farmers market, and they're the Dutch Gardener, and I will be going to them tomorrow for their big opening day celebration, and I will be picking up more strawberries, and I'll find other starts, begonias and beautiful flowers to stick along the yard. I like to plant flowers to bring in the bees. So tomorrow's a big day, and I believe I will take you along. I will do a video on some of the Earth Day celebrations that I will be participating in. Why don't you leave a comment and let me know what you'll be doing for Earth Day, as far as gardening or preparing to garden, or just going out and celebrating the abundance of what the earth gives us. So if you like these kind of videos and you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. I'm brand new, and subscribers are something I would enjoy having, because I believe that I can bring lots of good information where cool weather gardening isn't addressed in other YouTube videos. I have been watching people like Kale, who is great. She's knowledgeable. She's a wonderful gardener. She lives in Southern Cal, where the climate is much warmer, and you're not required to have greenhouses down there. The nighttime temperature is in the 70s, and the daytime in the 80s and 90s. So a different climate altogether, and different types of issues with gardening. So she's a great one to go watch. If you haven't seen Kale, you can find her on YouTube at KaleKim29, and I've been following her for a couple years. The Rustic Gardener is also a really good channel. So I've been watching quite a few gardening channels over the past couple of years, and I haven't found any that address cool weather climate gardening issues. So that's what my channel is going to be about and focusing on. So there's the strawberry towers. That's a tall one. the bottom I have lettuce. So I'll be talking about that tomorrow at the community garden. And there's my other strawberry tower. It's only got 3 stacks, whereas the other one has 5 stacks. So, anyways, if you like these kind of videos, why don't you hit like? Like helps my channel get recognized by YouTube.